This is beneath the kitchen sink. This is an air admittance valve. Okay, that's a good thing. This is what we want to see. This garbage disposal off. Horsepower is not listed blatantly on here, and but it's reasonable to assume it's 1/3 horsepower, which would make this under-counter switch acceptable. If it's a 1 horsepower, it would be a different story. Now, one thing is, this is a rocker switch, and the manufacturer says the switch should be labeled on and off. But the real reason why I'm under here is earlier in the construction process, it was observed that this drain line had a 4-degree pitch in this direction, away from the drain, and that we can't determine whether that's been corrected or not. But at one time, it did have such a pitch, so this is just a note of that.